Oh, good YouTube. I'm back with another video. Guys, this video gonna be about Exagear. Now, like I told you guys, I've been looking around for different types of Exagears, and I still, like I said, guys, I still got a lot to learn. Um, but I just want to show you one Exagear I did come across. Um, this alien catch mod, one I did come across on GitHub. I just searched up, guys, Exagear for GitHub. I'm not gonna try to make the video too long, just trying to show you something I came across. And as I learn more, I definitely keep making more videos. You see right here, guys, it's for about. It's a simple modification for XEGW, Exagear from Exagear International Devs. The Exagear International Devs is talking about is the Discord. I'll leave a link in the description box. But they have a Discord that Execute International Devs, and some of you guys might ask what's the best for you to use for Execute, guys. It's gonna be different. You have different devices. Like for example, I have the Red Magic 8 Pro phone hardware. With the hardware for the GPU is Adreno 740. So I can't speak on what's really what's the best really Execute. You know and things like that. It's so much. There's so many different mods between Exagear and Wine on Android, guys. It's so much. Like I told you before, if you need more help with Wine understanding, you can definitely go to OneHQ.com. Check out the Exagear International Discord link on channel 2. For on Discord, they're very helpful over there. You also can find information, usually looking up on Google. Like for example, like it says right here, warning, I'm not the creator of this catch. You see, it says all files used on this cache is from respective owners or developers. You know, yeah, here we go. So this is more information about it. See, like, kind of thing. Is if there's a system requirement for the T and Z acceleration, the T and Z, guys, that's turn up in zinc. That give you better performance. You see, guys, I'll show you like the minimum, the different type of Adrenos, and then the recommended. You know, um, and then see it says what if my phone doesn't didn't reach the TMZ requirements. So this is information, guys, so that you can look at based upon the devices that you have. And that's why I say, guys, mine is the 700 series. As you see here, it's Adreno 7XX 700 series. TNZ renderer supported, right? And it says yes, but it's in very early stages and may not work at all. So guys, if it doesn't work, don't get mad at the devs. Don't get mad at them. Because like you said, it's an early stage. So we gotta give the developers time. Like I said, guys, developers, they're doing their best. So we just gotta show them support. And oh, here we go. See, does this support 64-bit so that's x64 applications? Now with some computers you have x86, x64. My laptop is x64. It's an x64 processor. My system. You can the way you find out, guys, you can go on your computer and just go to settings, go to about, and at the top of the screen when it shows some of your specs, your specifications. It'll show the processor, like that, for the system it'll show the x64 processor if it's x86. And when it comes to Exagear, guys, on Android it supports x86. So the x64 stuff doesn't won't work. But guys, so you have a lot of stuff that's in here. See, I'm not gonna, guys, go over it, like try to go over all this stuff and stuff like that. Here, guys, see right here it says latest TNZ libraries added for Adreno 610 and 700. Cause like I said, I'm on 700, so guys, if you're on my system, it's more for testing. And for some renderers too, guys, you see right here, right here it says run DXK. Run DXVK less hassle. Without any commands and other thing needed. Guys, when you chose different renderers, you had the LLVM, you had the right here the DSVK, Tournament Zinc, the VerGL, VerGL is pretty good. It's really good, or the VerGL overlay, you had the Tournament Zinc is definitely good. So that's nice. See, added all supports. What have all mods, thing for who made all all mine. So so this package has a lot of stuff in it. I don't want to make the video too long. Remember, in 5 minutes. So this is more information that you can read. So yeah. Man, there's more information too. Let me see. See more, more information, guys. You can use. Over here it says Wine D3D 8.3 is recommended to use for built-in Virgil. The built-in Virgil, that's built-in one of the renderers. The Wine D3D gonna be helpful for running certain applications. In your your Exagear. So here you go, guys. See, it says the Alien Kit version 3.8 Virgil. I don't know if that's pronounced Virgil or Virgil. You can correct me in the description box. I mean, you can correct me in the comment section. I downloaded the first one. It sends it to the Mega. Mega, guys, the application that you have. And here, guys, here's the APK, the input bridge. That's the overlay, guys. So if you're playing, when you're playing some of the games on your through Exagear, not every game you're gonna play is gonna be point and click. So that's why they made the input bridge, so it puts the overlay like the on-screen, button control, so you can map it, to that game. But anyways, guys, like I said, I already downloaded it. But when you download the file, guys, guys, this video might be a little bit longer, just kind of showing you what I'm using. I'm not really going a lot in detail about, once I'm in the application itself, but just showing you what I downloaded for the Exagear I was using. But I deleted it though, so I can save for the video. This is it right here. See, guys? So you have 3 OBBs, and you have all these APKs, right? Now, guys, you might say, which one should I use? Me personally, guys, I'm just testing them. You know what I'm saying? I'm just testing them. Like, for example, right? You have this OBB, right? So you can literally do, okay, without benchmark APK, with the basic, boom, right? You could do like Ludashi APK with this, right? If you want to, you can, you know what I'm saying? You can do like this is Boost FPS experimental version. So you can do like, see, like N22 and then this one. You're just testing out, or Ludashi, or Ludashi and then this one. You know what I'm saying, guys? So it's really up to you. It's really up to you. If you want, I guess I don't know what it means by the, it says without benchmark, or the unbenchmarked one. It says right here, guys. I don't know exactly what that means by that. But like I said, guys, you just test it. Just test them. You know what I'm saying? Like, for example, I just, I'll just download one. I'm gonna show you the one I downloaded last time, just to, what I did was I downloaded this one, right? I'll just show you, just for example. Install it. Install. Open. Once it opens, allow. It says no BB detected. Please try select it manually. Select manually. I'm already inside the folder. So we're gonna go with the boosted one because experimental. Just testing. Guys, you really just testing. It's multiple different types of Exagears and things like that. Guys, just just test them. You can test all of them if you want. That's the thing. That's the thing about Exagear. Android. Wine it's just testing. You know what I mean? You really just testing, and you use what you like. Some things might work better than others, but you use what you like. But I will be making more videos though, guys, as I get more familiar with even with Exagear. And on my last channel, I did make some videos, but too bad that channel was deleted. Yep, give it a second. Give it a second. Whew, man. Okay, guys, I fell asleep for a second. All right, I'm back. So this is basic right here, right? It says extra features can be found in the bottom, left button. Okay, anyways, so if you hit the right, let yeah, guys, that was my nephew in the background. If you hit the setting icon right here to change the location of drive D, that's really like the downloads for like like where your files would be at when you are on the computer. Like what I mean, once you get into Exagear and you when looking through the file that's on your phone, it's really like that like that folder. So for me, for I just put it like what the heck? Hold on. Like for here, I just set it as download. So you said purposes change, restart app to apply it. Alright. So you go to man, you can go to manage containers. So you guys, you got 1, 6.0, 7.0, and 8.0. It's up to you. You can try all three of them, guys. Like I said, it's all about testing, seeing what what works and maybe what don't work. Only way guys, is by testing. So hit them 3 dots, and properties. You see your name. If you want to rename it, screen size. I always do 800 by 600. That's my favorite. Graphics always have 32-bit. So you got controls. I always go to CP 10 touchpad. Language English, right? Now you probably wonder why don't you see renderer? But once you get into Exagear, at least for this one, I'm using these ones here. These this Exagear I'm using. Once you get into it, then that's when it will allow you to change it to choose it. See? So you go like to desktop, see the TFM. You can run it this way, or you could click on run. Either way. Give it a second to load. Now guys, when it first loads, you will see the wine mono, right? And you will see the wine gecko. Guys, I'm not sure what is the job of the gecko and the mono. I'm not exactly sure if it's job, right? But I know it is necessary for some stuff. I just don't know exactly what's the purpose of them. Cause I've seen some people on YouTube where they didn't even install it. But one time I tried to install something and it didn't work, and it said, "Oh, install the gecko installer," and then it worked after that. So, yeah. And it's gonna be like I said, it's just the mono, and the gecko one is gonna come next. Alright. And you click on install. Yeah, this video is 13 minutes, I really want to make it short so much, but like I ain't made an extra video in a while, and I said, let me just show you what I'm using. And guys, I said I get this off at Exagear. I'm gonna leave a link in the description box, okay? Alright, boom. Now guys, when it comes to Exagear, right, some programs will work automatically. Now let's say you go to Z, right? You go to photo, right? So it'll show you all different stuff around your device, right? You might go, let me see. I'm just showing you something. So you might go into Exagear, hold on. Go back, you might go into media. Okay, it's not there. You might go into run. See guys, so you see all this stuff with Exagear, right? So Exagear, got a bunch of stuff with it, right? Now, if I go to D, that's gonna see that show like in the archiver. That's that's the drive that's using for like your storage if you want to say it like that, So like I said, some programs will work out the gate. Like this program right here, I'm gonna show you. Now, this is Beavis and Butthead. Now this game right here will work out the gate, and you see I didn't even install nothing on here, right? Hold on. Alright. Okay, now it's trying to act stupid. Okay, here we go. Finally. They're gonna rack them down. Okay, guys. Now, when you're playing this game on here, the left arrow, right? Not the left arrow. See that circle, guys? The circle on the you see it right here, right? Well, this acts as like, I don't know how you say it, but I guess it acts like when you're using the computer, right, and using your mouse, and how like with this game, how you have to like hold on to this and then like hold on to the button so that way that thing pops up on the screen so you can choose something. Well, this circle thing over here acts like that. I don't know how you would call it, like another cursor or another, like a mouse or something like that. So like even if you go over here to something, let me minimize this. So if you go over here, right, and I click on it, and you see it brings this up. So you open, cut, copy, create link, delete, rename. Yeah. So that's really helpful. Cause when you're playing the game, see, I'll show you. See what I'm saying, guys? I was using that left circle to bring up the the options, and then I use my right hand to move around. So that's cool. But anyways, guys, so like I said, this is everything here. So you got different stuff right here. And this is what I meant by, see, it says turn up, and they got the Adreno support. So so let's say I click on it. Boom, right? So then like that can start to work. You could like for one, I'm trying to think. For this one, I went to what did I choose last time? Others. Let me see. I don't remember what I chose last time for that. Anyway, guys, these are different things you can look at, or you can do this too. If you can like run these visual C run times. This is also used, guys, to like so you're able to run apps, and this on the computer, guys. If you go into your programming features, you also see these Microsoft visuals, runtimes, stuff like that. Yeah, this is cool. Yeah, guys, this video was dumb long, 17 minutes. Wow. Okay, but I'm just gonna show you some stuff that you do that you can install. And like I said, guys, I'm not no tech wizard, okay? I'm learning about Exagear, myself. But one thing I can say that if you do know more about computers, it is gonna help you out with Exagear even more, So you're not gonna have to worry about really struggling. It takes a little time though when installing these runtime packages. You gotta give it some time, Yeah, but guys, I'm gonna fast forward though when it's done. Till it's done. All right, hold on. I'm gonna skip to. Control panel, add, remove programs. See, guys, you can see it right here. Yeah, see Microsoft Visual. Yeah, no, redistribute. All right, I always mess up that word when I say that, the R word. I always mess it up. It's almost like I be trying to speak too fast when I'm saying it. Anyways, guys, those runtimes are used to be running certain applications on PC, so that's pretty necessary. I mean, for the sounds, I can't tell you that what to use. I'm not sure. I'm gonna go with that 5. I'm gonna just go with the 5. And let's see. For the a 1, let's see. I don't know, guys. I'm about to just go with this 2.0. I hope that guys that wasn't incorrect. But anyways, let me try to run some real quick. So I'm gonna show you some. Alright. Now, this program right here, right, guys, this is like a what was it? Open. This is WGL gears. It's probably testing, if I'm not mistaken, OpenGL drivers. If I'm not mistaken. This is a cool program right here. See, it runs really well. That's why I say, guys, is like some stuff will work automatically with Exagear. Other things you have to install into Exagear. So you kind of gotta play around with different things. Let me exit out of this. Let me show you one more thing. Oh yeah, let me change this because where the heck is it at? Sometimes guys change the window that you're on. That'll also make your program work too. Oh crap, my bad. Wrong program. Hold on. You guys, this cat viewer, they take the latest version. It says 1.59, latest version is 1.60. Now I downloaded it though, but I must have erased it. I don't know. It's at the bottom, guys, right here. See, it says OpenGL 4.6, which that is the latest in OpenGL. It says Zinc Vulkan 1.3. So you turn up. Now, if I click on this simple mesh, hold on. Now see, guys, it's only running at like it's in like 46 FPS. Now, guys, with Exagear, you can't run that stuff higher than that. It could be just what I'm using. Okay. It says, guys, see, program error. The program GPU CatViewer.exe has encountered a serious problem and needs to close. We are sorry for the inconvenience. It says this can be caused by a problem in the program or deficiency in WAN. You may want to check the application database for tips about running this application. The tips could be off of, like off of WAN HQ. And guys, there's different reasons for this. Sometimes you need something installed on the Exagear. Sometimes it could be the Windows version you're on. So there's multiple reasons that can cause this problem. But let me go back in real quick again. That's the last thing. 25 minutes. Oh man, this video too long. All right, let me see something. Well, this one here always gonna be high. This is simple little test. Let's see. Draw stress test. Yeah, but like I said, guys, I've seen this. I think I've seen that test also run full speed too. It's just, yeah. So you see, guys, that's 72 FPS. Like I said, guys, it can still be higher. Let me see where's my favorite at. Hold on. Yeah, there we go. The I don't know if it's pronounced Fang. I guess Lightning Donut. That's my favorite. Yeah, guys, this is my favorite. I love this one right here. This is like my favorite one. Yeah, right here. Yeah, so cool. But like I said, guys, when you install Exagear and once you go to start, there's a lot of things that you can do with Exagear based on what you install from here. Now, depending on which type of Exagear you download, guys, will depend on what's in this left column right here. Sometimes And it depends on the mod, you know what I mean? Because like I said, it's a lot. Sometimes, like I said, there's so many people, so many contributors to Exagear. So some people might have their mod where it's like a lot of in there, and it might be a lot of information there, like a lot of different options to choose from. Some may not. And guys, I don't know what this is like. What this is for right here. If it's a direct, yeah, it's a direct 3D. When it comes to this stuff, I don't know if I like. Let's just say it's at default 0. You know what I'm saying? Like I don't know so much as what happens if you choose these things. Okay. Yeah. But anyways, yeah, guys. So like I said, just keep testing out. Like I said, guys, this video 27 minutes. Like not me be it this long. I just want to show you what I was using, install some stuff, show you some stuff. But I'm gonna make more videos though, cause I'm gonna be testing out the other Exagears, okay? So just you know, just playing around with everything. Like I said, some of them may be very fast. Some you might test out could be glitchy. I think guys, it just depends. Like I said, there's so much different Exagears, and you know, so that's all. I'm a little bit tired too, guys. So I'm kind of talking a little over the place, and I think I'm almost saying something, almost forgetting what I'm saying. Kind of, I was starting to fall asleep. Anyways, thanks to everybody who is putting all that work for Exagear and Wine. I know the guys video long, but thank you guys for anybody who watched it. You know, if you liked it or disliked it, thank you all for just for just being there. And y'all have a blessed night. Okay, sleep well, love your families. Deuces.